In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. It was an Eid day. I visited the park after the Eid prayer. It was not a walking time, plus it was an Eid day. That is why there was no one other than me walking inside the park. I saw some of the people sitting over there separately. One person was a young man, able bodied young man. He was carrying a sort of shopper, and there were certain articles of use inside that. It seemed that he has come from any village, like he is not from this town. He was smoking a cigarette after a cigarette after a cigarette with the very small intervals. With the very small intervals, he was smoking the cigarettes. And a sort of energy drink was there. I looked upon him. He was brooding, upset, unhappy. I thought, what could be wrong with this man? I thought for a while, what could be wrong with this person? What could be wrong with this person? I found out, I came to a conclusion that this person is having very bad relationships. The people who are close to him, the people with whom he do meet, he do interact with quite often, this person has severed his relationships with those people. And he keeps thinking he have a lot of bias, prejudice, have a lot of bias and prejudice, have a lot of grudge against those people, have a lot of complaints, and lot of complaints against those people. Because of that grudge, because of those complaints, because of that prejudice, and because of that hatred, this person, this person has become useless. Why and how? This kind of thinking keeps running in his mind, the thoughts of hatred, the thoughts of prejudice, the thoughts of grudge, the thoughts of complaints, the thoughts of hatred. This is what circulates in his mind for almost all the time, for most of the time. He is eager to seek revenge, eager to punish them, eager to harm them, although it is not so safe, and maybe he is waiting for any opportunity, or he is just praying. This is absolute and mere negativity. Negativity is a poison. Negativity is a toxicity. Negativity is a garbage. Negativity is a dirt. And as long as we are keeping our mind full of this dirt, full of this garbage, full of this poison, and full of this toxicity, I think that we cannot do anything else, anything else at all. We will cripple ourselves. Our life will become destroyed. Our life will become useless. It is There is a sort of strange example in my mind. This is a sort of very laughable example in my mind, but it has come maybe at the right time, so it is not bad to put it forward. There are people who are diabetics. The diabetics, even the young diabetics, when their blood sugar level goes high, they are unable to use their masculine parts. I mean they cannot enjoy the intimacy with their spouses. They cannot enjoy the intimacy A male diabetic, once his blood sugar levels become high, as long as his blood sugar remains high, he cannot develop intimate relationship with his spouse. So to be able to be able to become a normal man again, he have to reduce the blood sugar level and have to bring it up to a normal level. So is true. So is true. Once there is a sort of negativity, once there is a sort of toxicity, once there is a sort of poison. This is all toxicity and poison as far the hatred is concerned, as far the negative thinking is concerned, as far the complaints against the people are concerned, as far the hatred against the people are concerned, as far the grudge against the people are concerned, as far the bias and the prejudice against the people is concerned, as long as it is there, I think that we cannot act normally, we cannot lead a normal life, we cannot become a normal human being at all. This is the case. So, if at all we do want to become a normal human being, if at all we do want to lead a normal life, if at all we do want to become active, if at all we do want to become productive, all what we need to do is that first and foremost, first and foremost, we do have to reduce, we do have to minimize, we do have to expel, we do have to get rid of the hatred, of the grudge against the people, of the hatred against the people, of the complaints against the people, of the prejudice and the bias against the people. Unless and until we don't become normal in this sense, unless and until we don't stop judging other people and do start judging ourselves, I think so that we will never be able to lead a normal life, to lead a productive life, to lead a healthy life, to lead a happy life. So first there is whatever space is there in our mind, in our brain, if all of that is occupied by the dirt, by the garbage, by the negativity, by the hatred, by the prejudice and bias, by the grudge against the people, I think that nothing positive could enter in our mind. And as long as our brain, our mind, our thinking is filled with this sort of dirt, we cannot become a healthy, we cannot become a normal, we cannot become a productive person at all. We cannot lead a happy life. Thank you.